Mama Akwaba wa frame Adwa search name Mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news. Ebusuafo Afia Pokuwaa vimnedi e na okase na ochire se obi so man pani dada John Dramani Mahama se mana. Asembe na esi edue na aba kame akwaye se this year election o man pani dada Mahama ne Ghana hemfofo aya aka na sese. Na titrupa eni otumfo osei tutu eye asante hene no ne ye kama papa na kame akwaye se nansen menhia eye program no me invite nipa onko ena de ade a ena ye nwanso ye ni se eye Kelvin Taylor campaign de ama NDC ama yoko na Kelvin Taylor to bomb de ko eye menhia eni atemidi ni asem kwetu akoma penda da Mahama so yi na Afia Pokuwaa echere se table no atene because His Excellency the Vice President Dr. Bawumia say kame akwaye se onmo ena hemfofo no agena to ma ono mo ehwibum ena region obeko bia ahemfofu edi nachi campaign ma no omo ekensem echomo manfo so omo to aba emfa ema no na 2016 so yebeka won penda da Mahama no ne ahemfofu no fine pint Afia Pokuwaa bisa se den na esi bibia esi won penda da Mahama enka no no ne ahemfofu no enkambo ayesa asembe fada sientie nsem Afia Pokuwaa
so that Fatima can start doing communication about the doomso and not just doomso communication kekenya propaganda number because Ghana for say you need that. There is no amount of propaganda I believe is a what solve doomso when in fact you have not solved it. And if you want the Fatima to be to announce or explain doomso now, what you will do is an appointing the team grid go for. I was saying Nana don't idea shit jagu muchem. Double work and solve the doomso. By the end of July, man solve doomso no dia fala MPP. Man solve doomso na fala. By the end of July, you must deal with the doomso. Na mon pe coin biso. Edi ese bonsa menu na mboko. Number ko so pa muchewo. What number so ko pa muchewo. Make sure say CD dollar no. Mo betimi stabilize no. Na ti abafom. Find the way to bring the CD dollar to about 10 or 12. Because then a serious campaign message. It's in America say, Dr. Dupont started so yes, economic questions before no. It's Mahama in the campaign was because Mahama why you demand to do on NDC. But more needs to be done because the way about room to do room, door to door, personal campaign. No. Mahama demand about me sinechi akosefa. Was sinechi akosefa. And what he must do, what Dr. Dupont must do, he said. Baby, because they say they all hands and they go. That's what NDC has to do. And these are questions now. Now, Bawumia, no more fast homework in my doctor do for my cat at the end of dada. Not just a man, what's yes from on back to the room to room, door to door. No, you don't come back. Small group settings. That's anyone who's no or ya baba. Be a group, yeah, no small intimate group settings. In for engage one-on-one group, small group settings. Only more engage. I have for no. Mama must go back and fall in love with Ahemfono. Because in 2016, Mama Ahemfono and enough for. If I think it or two for 2020, Mahama Benga Diwo Kumasi after ye Kayetian was about Yen Tiobianum, Daddy Lumbanium. Now Mahama was seen as a 2 for that. What changed? Now say a 2 for year program for Mahama. Mama, you need to rekindle your relationship back to Mesia. Umia Ibrahim. Nena, I know 2 for. Use him back to Mensia. Rekindle your relationship with their by association. And then you Mensia keke. Bono for Western region for no so we endorse Bawumia. Mama was so very go back and never be a waka so Bawumia that I would forget to call. Call no what's nothing to send it. You sit down and dine with him. Bawumia yakra. Madam forgot you so them ready time. Also what you pray baby. Bawumia kokra. What say what sanko? Or say obiam sanko. 6 months no your room when you all die be die na Mahama nana do kai no. This is all die be die campaign. Just a no holds barred. You all die be die so be mobile. The interpretation is no holds barred. You are leaving no stone unturned. Every corner masalachi you for enter. And one of the things Professor General program Mr. Munguni Maya Finamani Razongo Bia Masalachi Bia Mani Raho and people so Samia has been doing a lot.
That's it, right. And now I know Cassie, and I'm in Do you have any evidence that there is any loot? Do you have any evidence that there is any loot, Anna?
Sir,
is it established?
And says I'm a Ghana for moment because Ebra Jerusalem saw dino. Nehemiah yes will be seen. Abonsam kofa nipa bi so yes so mehwa se emaso. Saa na yekoso Ghana ha. Me de omo ye nya se bia omunim se boni bi akoso. Na emum bonsam na yusu wo mo. Simple cry.
You see, as a Mahama, you see, when you point a finger at Obino, make sure say, a one hour with the answer, but you would first. And you see, what surprises me mostly is the same Mahama and now all cancer for this statement I made it. One of my sister stations, so and I'm making the same statement here. On no cancer or making sure say you conducted forensic audit in the cathedral loot. Me as at a name meeting here, say there has been any investigation to prove say there is any loot in the cathedral building.
So, and this is for the man creative. I'm telling
the former president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama said. So I know Casa or bet making sure say you conduct forensic auditor. And then me samano. So no Casa no on share sefre on me ho. Eba scandal no. Omo mu conduct forensic audit. Now report me ba the crown. As now he's not even admitting say you no. Now who was that? Ahumasuo no eka trese oba you come and conduct forensic audits. Yeah, John. But I'm very hopeful that the good people of Ghana, the youth of this country, the free SHS leavers, they'll remember His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo. They'll remember His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, and they'll reward him. They'll reward him well. Because someone himself, because of Ononti, they have had the opportunity to go to school without paying fees. Someone himself, unknown address, they had the opportunity to have free SHS. But John Dramani Mahama, he should continue to be twisting facts and play to where he thinks that it suits him. Maybe all that they did yesterday, sincerely speaking, Obisamia, I see it as one of those gimmicks. And yeah, mama, a been said, on normal address, they started social interventions and other benefits. It's the end of the day. Ghana first presents a convincing policy to us. What is your policy?
24-hour economy.
I said, Captain Bisan, first 24-hour economy.
Say one here. And a question about 24-hour economy. Sincerely speaking,
I say a game changer.
I'm a face.